Hi guys, what we're gonna do today is easy guacamole. So it's a low carb dip. Ang kakailanganin natin ay avocados and then lemon, half a lemon is squeeze out natin yan. Ihahalo natin yung lemon sa ating avocado and then we'll mash it. Ano? Ako gusto ko medyo mapino. And then we'll get a coriander. Meron kaming tanim na coriander or wansoy. Medyo mahal ito at saka mahirap hanapin. Kaya mas maganda talaga kung may tanim kayo. You chop your coriander. Then you also get tomato and onion and you also chop that. Ito, tira lang ito kagabi. And then we have a clove of garlic. Yan. Tapos, voila! Mabilis na lang. Imimix na lang yung avocado with lemon plus your tomato, onion, and garlic plus your coriander. And then season that with salt and pepper. And then, meron na kayong easy guacamole dip. Low carb na low carb. So thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.